मुझे भी
आते हो सेंटर यो मैम क्या मैम आते हो सेंटर यो आप लोग क्या कह रहे हो मैम ये सेंटर मैम क्या मैम
कि लास्ट राउंड
आते हैं लास्ट
फैंटास्टिक थैंक यू
कड़क
Athia, hi. This is journalist Pooja. I would like to ask you, you are being the role model for the many young girls and very beautiful. What is style statement for you as far as the accessories is concerned?
Firstly, thank you. And I think to be comfortable in your skin, to dress according to your body type, and yeah, basically just own whatever you wear. Don't think too much. Don't match too much.
Hi Neena, hi Athaya, this is Jayanti. Neena, as we all know, she's an inspiration for many ladies. But Athaya, who's an inspiration for you, especially among the leading ladies of Bollywood? Who do you inspire? I mean, who's your inspiration? Why?
I think Anushka Sharma. I've always looked up to her, and she always inspired me. Especially how she's taken her career so differently. She's producing films. She started at a really young age. She's making the films that she wants to make. She's producing films that she believes in. And yeah, and also Alia. I think she's my age, but she's achieved so much, such a short amount of span. And she's just so hardworking. And I think everybody has their own journey, and they're all doing amazing.
ओ चचा अरे हट टेम्पू अरे
Excuse me.
Suman, please. There's no seat.
Center. Ma'am here.
From Neena to Mana and Athya.
And one for Riddhi. One for
And I think they want you all three to pose with the book, so we have to face that time.
बात करने का
Center. आगे center here, please. Ma'am, center. Ma'am, center. Ma'am, here, ma'am, right side. All of you here, please here. Ma'am, three on the right side, ma'am. आते हैं ma'am here. Ate. Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you everyone. Also we have our Nanina Lekhi bags for Atya and Mana.
वो क्या वो
अरे बाप रे थैंक यू
I think this bag is inspired by the way Mana used to design.
I swear.
She used to tear everything. Stuff.
Or the collages. Thank you.
हाँ
अच्छा तो मेरा आवाज़ गया है क्योंकि मैं अभी आई हूँ शादी से, इट वाज माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स वेडिंग, तो एक्सक्यूज माय वॉइस।
रोल गाइस।
यार बोले
ओके
सो अतिया क्या कहना चाहेंगे आज के इवेंट्स के लिए? कितने एक्साइटेड थे? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल मोमेंट्स के बारे में बात होगी तो कुछ ऐसा मोमेंट जो शेयर करना चाहोगे?
मैं बहुत ही एक्साइटेड थी। आई लव रीडिंग बायोग्राफीज, I love reading about inspirational women. So there's the biggest example standing next to me today. It's about her journey, it's about her story, how she has worked so hard for 25 years and today it's a 100 crore company. And she did it all out of her house and from scratch. I think that's so inspiring for all the young women today. So
बॉलीवुड में बहुत सारे बायोपिक बन रहे हैं, तो कोई ऐसी एक बायोपिक जो वुमेन ओरिएंटेड रहेगी आप रोल प्ले करना चाहोगे?
I don't know as yet. Lekin of course I would love to do a biopic soon. Who wouldn't? And who wouldn't want to tell an amazing woman's story? So yeah, soon maybe, hopefully.
Adya, your upcoming Varga is creating a lot of buzz. We let us know कि मतलब क्या चल रहा है, किस तरह की तैयारी चल रही है इस फिल्म को?
हाँ तो अभी मैं शूटिंग के लिए जा रही हूँ 40 days in London, तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ।
अच्छा, मीना जी की तरह फ्यूचर में कभी एक एंटरप्रेन्योर बनने का कोई प्लान है आपका?
आई डोंट नो मुझ में अंदर है कि नहीं, लेकिन देखते हैं।
क्योंकि आप अभी से ही इतनी कम उम्र से ही आप काफ़ी इनिशिएटिव आप ले चुकी हैं, आप
Thank
गेम
you.
भी संभालती है, तो ऐसे गुण तो ऐसे क्वालिटीज़ तो है
I think if I do something, it'll definitely be for like an NGO. My Nani's NGO, Save the Children. Definitely like to take that forward in some way and help my mom build on it.
मीना जी कुछ कहना चाहेंगे आतिया की इस क्वालिटी को लेकर? इतनी कम उम्र में जैसे आपकी और बेस्ट एग्जाम्पल फॉर ऑल द इंडियन वुमेन, आतिया को लेकर आप कुछ कहना चाहेंगे जिस तरह से वो एनजीओ आजकल संभालती है, फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में भी अच्छा खासा नाम कर रही है?
Yeah, so I know her Nani actually. I mean Mana's mom. And जब मैं माना के साथ मिलती थी तो उनकी मम्मी के साथ ज़रूर मिलती थी. And Save the Children was Vipula Kadri's pet project. And I'm so proud that Mana is taking it forward. And इतने दिलो दिमाग से ले रहे हैं. And today Atiya also has that thing, you know, to give it back to society. It's really touching in India.
आपने जो बुक लिखा है, ऐसा क्या मोटिवेट किया जिसकी वजह से आपने इस किताब को लिखने की कोशिश की?
मेरे को लगा मेरे जैसा कोई अगर इतना बड़ा बिजनेस खड़ा कर सकता है तो कोई भी कर सकता है यार. इट्स जस्ट कि वो इतनी आग होनी चाहिए दैट यू टेक ऑफ लाइक अ रॉकेट. बस वही है कि इंस्पायर करना है बहुत लोगों को कि अपना अपना ड्रीम फॉलो करें.
Thank you so much.
Especially for women.
Thank you so much for this.
I think perhaps Sunil sir should also come out with a tell-all book because his journey has been inspirational.
His journey has been very inspirational, and I feel like when I look at his journey and how much he has achieved and how he has come such a long way, I feel like I've done nothing. So yeah, I don't know if he'll actually get down to doing it, but maybe one day.
Yeah, and even I know Sunil Shetty and how he helped us. when we did the store in Excess, that was our first store. तभी हमको बहुत डर था कि पहले कैसे दुकान करेंगे, क्या करेंगे, और हालांकि उनका खुद का दुकान था मिसशिफ में जहाँ वो कपड़े और एक्सेसरीज़ भी रखते थे, फिर भी उन्होंने हमको भी ये आइडिया, सेम आइडिया दी कि आप बैग्स के साथ और भी एक्सेसरीज़ रखो. कोई नॉर्मली अपनी आइडिया नहीं देता है लोगों को. So Sunil's greatness has always been that he's always sharing and helping people, which is माइंड ब्लोइंग.
देखा जाए तो एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप का जो एक आइडिया जो है सबसे पहले सुनील शेट्टी सर से ही आया था पूरे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में. तो कुछ कहना चाहेंगे इस इनिशिएटिव को उन्होंने किया था, आप भी बढ़ाना चाहें?
I always make fun of him, like how do you do so much? आप कैसे इतना सब कुछ करते हो? लेकिन I think he's a real risk taker. He's so positive and whatever he does with 100%. There's not even 1% where he leave behind, and I think I would love to imbibe that quality. Both Ahan and I should.
Thank you so much for talking to us.
All right, thank you guys. Thank you.